Hello, brilliant students, and welcome to the first lesson of our Business English for Beginners course. I'm Yana, the founder of an online English school, Yana's English Academy. And today I'll be a guide to mastering the basics of business English. So in this lesson, we'll focus on basic greetings and introductions in a business setting. You'll also learn about the verb to be, to have, can, the articles, and expand your vocabulary with common job titles, countries, and nationalities. So let's start with our first dialogue. Imagine you are at a networking event. Here's a conversation between two people.
Hi, I'm Anna Johnson. I work as a marketing manager at Global Tech.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Ben Smith, an HR specialist at Innovate Solutions. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from the United Kingdom. Do you have a team at Global Tech?
Yes, I have a team of 5 people. What about you? Do you have a big team at Innovate Solutions?
No, I have a small team of 3. Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and a little bit of French.
That's great. I can only speak English.
Now let's dive into some important grammar points for today's lesson. The verb to be in present simple tense. This verb has a long form and a short form. Repeat after me. Affirmative form. I am. I'm. You are. You're. We are. They are. He is. His. Examples. I am a manager. She is a specialist. They are from the United Kingdom. Negative form. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. We aren't. They aren't. He, she is not. He isn't. She isn't. Examples. I am not an engineer. He's not from Germany. They are not in the office. Questions. Am I? Are you? Are we? Are they? Is he? Is she? Is it? Examples. Am I in the right place? Are you the new specialist? Is she from France? The verb to have. Positive sentences. I have. You have. He has. She has. It has. We, they have. Negative sentences. I do not have. I don't have. You do not have. You don't have. He, she, it does not have. He doesn't have. We, they do not have. We, they don't have. Questions. Do I have? Do you have? Does he, she, it have? Do we, they have? Short answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Yes, we do. No, we don't. Difference between have and have got. Have got is often used in British English and is more informal, whereas have is more commonly used in American English and is more formal. Let me give you an example. I have got a car. British English, informal. I have a car. American English, formal. The verb can is used to describe a person's ability to do something. Positive sentences. I can. You can. He can. She can. It can. We can. They can. Negative sentences. I cannot. I can't. You cannot. You can't. He cannot. He can't. We cannot. We can't. Questions. Can I? Can you? Can he? Can we? Short answers. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, he can. No, he can't. Yes, they can. No, they can't. So as you can see, this verb has the same form for all persons and numbers. Using the articles. Article an is an indefinite article and is used before singular countable nouns. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound. For example, a manager, M is a consonant. A colleague, C is a consonant. An is used before words that start with a vowel sound. An example, an engineer, E, is a vowel sound. An accountant, A, is a vowel sound. The is a definite article and is used before countries that include the word kingdom or are plural. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands. Article the is also used when referring to something specific that is known to both the speaker and the listener. For example, the new marketing specialist is great. Now let's expand your vocabulary with some common job titles, countries, and nationalities. Common job titles. Repeat after me. Manager, specialist, engineer, accountant, director, secretary, assistant. Countries and nationalities. The United States, American. The United Kingdom, British. Germany, German. France, French. Spain, Spanish. Russia, Russian. China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Now it's time for some speaking practice. So let's try introducing yourself and others using the phrases and vocabulary we've learned today. Practice introducing yourself. For example, good morning. My name is. I am at. I'm from. Nice to meet you. Now practice introducing someone else. This is. He is. A. At. He is or she is from. Great job today. In our next lesson, we'll dive into business correspondence, learning how to write and respond to basic business emails. See you then. Bye.